Isn't it time to start writing clickable video titles? I'll show you my best practices on how to title your YouTube videos, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. And hey, if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos to attract and convert, then consider subscribing now and clicking the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. One of the best things you can do to optimize your video on YouTube is to provide it with a great title that wins the click. But how to best title your YouTube video to maximize its effectiveness in search results? No matter what niche your channel is in, or whether you're a gamer, a vlogger, or a how-to specialist, these tips for titling your videos will help you dominate search results. Before I even produce a video, it's the title that I'm thinking about. And actually, it's the keyword research that goes into crafting that title. That's the first step. If you're looking to learn more about keyword research for your videos, titles, and tags, then check out my video titled DIY Keyword Research Tool for YouTube, or click the link above. In that video, I was doing keyword research for this video. I was beginning my search with the key phrase YouTube titles. After my research, it led me to this title, how to title your YouTube videos. So I'll be using that as an example in this video. Aligning your titles and tags with actual key phrases people are searching for is a winning video marketing strategy to grow your channel. Once you know the keywords you're targeting, it becomes much easier to produce that video and write compelling copy like titles, descriptions, and tags. Let's look at what makes a great title. Think of the video title as a headline, like a headline you'd see in a magazine or on a blog site you frequent. Keep your title engaging and descriptive. The title is what grabs your attention within the results and leads you to want to learn more. It makes you want to click. When I'm crafting a new title, I'll start my title with my targeted keyword phrase, which will tell YouTube exactly what this video is about and where to place it in search results. In this case, my title is how to title your YouTube videos, and that's it. Sometimes I might place a dash, then add a descriptive phrase to help round out my title, but I recommend sticking with one core keyword phrase to title your video. It's important to note you'll want to avoid stuffing your title with keywords. Doing that makes your title appear more cluttered, and it's not best practice within YouTube. Instead, target one unique keyword in your title and describe it to sound natural and engaging. YouTube has a 100 character limit for titles. Anything longer than 70 will be cut off in search display listings, meaning users won't see your full title in the listings, the title you worked so hard on. So aim to keep your title within 70 characters. I'd even recommend under 66. When typing out your title, avoid using all caps. It's common to capitalize the first letter of each word in the title. One thing I like to do is to announce the video title in the introduction part of my video to reiterate to the viewer that this video is indeed a video in relation to the title. This will help with your viewer retention and watch time by acknowledging to the viewer in your video that this is indeed the right video for them. As a bonus, once you have your title set in stone, it is best practice to title your video file itself with the title of the video, exactly as you type it into the upload page. To review, a great video title consists of well-researched keyword phrase, written to be a short and engaging headline, and most importantly, super relevant to the actual video itself. Do this for your next video, then repeat it for every other video to come. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss a release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.